Now, in the series of vitamins, this is our fourth lecture. In the first, we had discussed about introduction and classification of vitamins. In the second, we had discussed about first fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin A. In the third video, we had discussed about second fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin D. Now in that series we are going to have one more lecture on vitamins. This is the fourth lecture that we are going to. Now in the fourth lecture we will discuss about one more fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin E, which is very important for our body. Vitamin A, as already discussed, is important for our eyes. There are two main diseases caused by deficiency of vitamin A, that is night blindness or color blindness, night blindness and blindness. Second one was xerophthalmia that we had discussed. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, then osteoporosis and osteomalacia. In vitamin E, we will see what is meant by vitamin E, or what are different factors related to vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat soluble antioxidant. There are four fat soluble vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. This is third one, that is vitamin E, which is a fat soluble antioxidant. Vitamin E was discovered in 1922, isolated in 1935 and first synthesized in 1938. Vitamin E is a group of 8 fat soluble compounds that include 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols. Both the tocopherols and tocotrienols occur in alpha, beta, gamma and delta forms, as determined by the number and position of methyl groups on the chromonal ring. That means there are 4 tocotrienols and tocopherols, alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Vitamin E हे फॅट सोल्युबल अँटीऑक्सिडंट आहे. Vitamin E was discovered in 1922, isolated in 1935 and first synthesized in 1938. Vitamin A is a group of 8 fat soluble vitamins, fat soluble compounds that include 4 tocopherols and 4 tocotrienols. They are alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Now we'll see of these 4 different forms of vitamin E. Gamma tocopherol is important. The most common form found in diet, but alpha tocopherol is the most बायोलॉजिकली ॲक्टिव्ह. विटॅमिन ई मध्ये सगळ्यात कॉमन असलेला आहे तो गॅमा टोकोफेरॉल, परंतु इम्पॉर्टंट असलेला तो आहे अल्फा टोकोफेरॉल, विच इज बायोलॉजिकली ॲक्टिव्ह. We will see different sources of vitamin E. In this topic, the important point is source, structure and deficiency disease. These are 3 important parts regarding each and every vitamin. Firstly, sources. Secondly, structures. Thirdly, deficiency diseases. Now we'll see the different sources of vitamin E. Vitamin E is found in nuts such as almonds and peanuts. बदाम नट्स याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला सापडते विटॅमिन ई. Then vegetable oils such as wheat germ, sunflower, corn and soybean oils. Third, seeds such as sunflower seeds. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach and broccoli. म्हणजे विटॅमिन ईचे हे जे सोर्सेस आहेत अतिशय कॉमन आहेत. आल्मंड्स, पीनट्स इन नट्स, wheat germ oil, sunflower oil, corn oil and soybean oils in vegetable oils. Seeds मध्ये sunflower seeds, green leafy vegetables मध्ये spinach and broccoli. These are sources of vitamin E, very very important sources of vitamin E. These are listed here: nuts, vegetable oils, seeds, green leafy vegetables. In sources of vitamin A, carrots, sweet potatoes, then spinach, then milk were listed. As per vitamin D is concerned, there is not specific food for vitamin D, but sunlight is very important as per the source of vitamin D is concerned. But in series of vitamin fat soluble vitamins, sources of vitamin E are nuts, vegetable oils, seeds, green leafy vegetables. Now we'll see the different structures of vitamin E. The structure of vitamin E is shown here. As we know, there are 4 vitamin E's, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Alpha tocopherol, beta tocopherol, gamma tocopherol and delta tocopherol, these are different forms of vitamin E. We will see their structures and in the end we will see the general structure of tocopherol. See here, this is the structure of vitamin E, that is alpha tocopherol. This is second one, beta tocopherol. This is third one, that is gamma tocopherol. Then delta tocopherol. Now in general we can see the structure as like this, where R1, R2, R3 are different alkyl or methyl groups. This is all about the structure of vitamin E. Now we'll see deficiency diseases of vitamin E. In each vitamin we are discussing only 3 points which are there for our syllabus: sources, structure and deficiency diseases. Now what are different deficiency diseases caused by vitamin E that we will see? Ataxia, degenerative disease of the nervous system, is one of the deficiency diseases of vitamin E. Secondly, fragility of red blood cells. Fragility of red blood cells is caused by the deficiency of vitamin E. Degeneration of neurons, particularly peripheral axons and posterior column neurons. Peripheral neuropathy, damage to peripheral nerves beyond the brain and spinal cord. That is peripheral neuropathy. Here in this picture it is shown what is peripheral neuropathy. Damage to peripheral nerves. Peripheral nerves are nerves beyond the brain and spinal cord, which damages due to the deficiency of vitamin E. Vitamin E च्या deficiencyमुळे peripheral nerves damage होऊ शकतात and that disease is called as peripheral neuropathy. Myopathies, that is muscular weakness. This is very important disease which is caused by its deficiency of vitamin E. Fragility of red blood cells and muscular weakness, peripheral neuropathy, degeneration of neurons, ataxia. These are all important diseases caused by deficiency of vitamin E. In the series retinopathy, damage to the retina of the eyes. This is one more deficiency disease of E. Retinopathy, damage to the retina of the eyes. Myopathies, muscular weakness. Peripheral neuropathy, damage to peripheral nerves. And there is degeneration of neurons, particularly peripheral axons and posterior column neurons. Here you can see how the retina of eye is damaged due to the deficiency of vitamin E. That means in the discussion of vitamin E, what are different sources? Different sources we had discussed. You can see here different sources of vitamin E: nuts, vegetable oils, seeds, and green leafy vegetables. Then in structures, we had discussed different structures of them, and then we had discussed about their deficiency diseases. These are different deficiency diseases caused by the vitamin E. Peripheral neuropathy is shown in this picture. Then myopathies, then retinopathy, that is damage to the retina of the eye. So friends, important question that may be asked in the examination. Again, give sources, structure and deficiency diseases of vitamin E. Now in coming lecture we will see the last fat soluble vitamin, that is vitamin K, which is again one of the important vitamins required to our body. That means in the vitamin part we had discussed first what are vitamins, how are they classified. Vitamins are organic compounds, essential micronutrients, important for our body, and their deficiency may cause different diseases. Vitamins are classified on the basis of solubility. First, fat soluble vitamins, second, water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are soluble in fats, water soluble vitamins are soluble in water. There are 4 fat soluble vitamins, A, D, E and K. There are 2 water soluble vitamins, B and C. In B there are so many vitamins. A group of vitamins is called as vitamins. In the series of fat soluble vitamins we had discussed first vitamin A, second vitamin D. Now today we had discussed vitamin E. Now in the coming part we will discuss about vitamin K in the last